Hey guys, well today we are headed to Dirty Diesels to check out what they got going on. Josh Collister is very well known in the diesel pickup world for his builds and his quality work. Once CJ Narum went over there and started working there, they decided to start doing work on big rigs. So I've been over there a few times and done some filming. I just haven't put it on the channel yet. Hopefully I get a chance to put out what I have filmed. It's a pretty cool project. Today we're going to be going and checking out Greg Merlot's truck. Also, they're building 3 389s for a customer that are going to be killer, and I'd like to get the beginnings of those, and then we'll come back and show you the finished products as well. Also, they've come out with their own series of glass lights and Betz lights. The plan is to interview CJ and Josh, and we'll take a look at the lights too. And I do have some footage of a truck that's already got the lights installed on the trailer, so I will drop some video footage of that in here. So hope you enjoy this upload. Make sure to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to our page. Thanks, and as always, enjoy. Okay, I'm here at Dirty Diesels in Birdsboro, Pennsylvania. Talking to Josh Collister. Why don't you give us a little history on Dirty Diesels and how it became
So long story short, I guess the business actually started in my college dorm room. Came up with this logo, sold stickers and t-shirts and apparel and that kind of stuff, and kind of took off from there. In about 2012, I think, I started doing like e-commerce with pickup truck parts, performance parts, wheels and tires, accessories, that kind of stuff. And then in 2017, we opened up a full service shop to customize pickup trucks, basically. Also do repair and service and that kind of stuff. Then we did that for a couple of years, and then 2021, late 2021, we moved into this facility, bought the land, built the shop, hired some more guys, moved in here. And since then, we've obviously now branched out into working on the big rigs.
Yep.
So, and that's kind of gotten a little nuts, but
okay.
But now, these days, we just do a little bit of everything. You know, pickup trucks, custom pickup trucks, custom big rigs, general service,
okay,
custom fabrication, a little bit of everything.
Yeah, there's definitely some cool stuff in the shop. So.
Yeah, it always stays interesting.
I bet.
But yeah, it's turned into a whole lot more than just selling stickers and t-shirts over the years.
Yeah. Did you already have a background in diesel mechanics? Or?
No, not at all. So I actually went to college for IT. I mean, I've been tinkering with trucks since as soon as I could drive. Okay. So, I mean, that's kind of how I got into it. Just learn by doing and keep doing it.
Okay, cool.
So that's how we got here.
All right, well, I guess we'll go grab CJ, bring him in, and talk about what he's doing.
Yeah, and I mean, I can tell the backstory of that too. CJ and I have known each other for, I don't know, at least 10 years at this point, because we were both into pickup trucks. Like, I used to put on truck meets and shows and stuff, and CJ would always come to those, so we knew each other for a long time. Okay. But in 2021, CJ, reached out to me and said he was looking for a change of pace, different job. I hired him to help as a mechanic of pickup trucks, an installer, tech, whatever you want to call it. And then as soon as we moved into this shop, CJ's like, hey, we have some space here. Can we let's mess with a big rig here and there. So we got a truck in here, a local guy's truck. It was Frank Stoner's truck. The turquoise or the teal one was the first truck that we did. Okay. And he's like, hey, let's get a truck in here. Let's try this. I think you'll really like it. And I had always kind of had that thought in the back of my head. So I've got a bunch of friends that are truck drivers and customize their trucks and stuff. Okay. Which actually one of the trucks sitting outside right now, the Blue 389, is a really good friend of mine, Dan. And he had always kind of put this bug in my ear for years and years. Hey, you should sell big truck parts and get into that. And so CJ brought it up. I said, hey, let's get one in here. We did that. He was really happy with the work. I was like, hey, this is really cool. Let's go somewhere with this. So now we're trying to do as much as we can.
Awesome.
And it's a blast.
Yeah, no, I mean, I've been up and intended on doing some videos last year.
Yep.
Nick Weir's build I wanted to get. And I do have some walk around footage of it. I'm just waiting to get with Nick and just do a full video of it and roll, and it just hasn't
doesn't stop working that thing.
But I'll drop a video of it driving by at our show last spring, so you can see what I'm talking about. But
and that was really like, that was, Nick's truck kind of happened right after we started doing this stuff. Scott Cornhill reached out and was like, hey, you know, we have this truck coming in, customer wants to do it up. And we talked to Nick, he was super cool, liked talking to us, and he kind of just let us go wild with his truck. And it was, the truck came out awesome.
It came out beautiful.
Yeah, the truck is really cool.
Yeah.
So we learned a lot with that, and we're really happy with the end result.
Yeah, I guess that was, like you said, that's the first full-on.
Yeah, that was the first, that was really the first full-on truck build we did. And that truck came, the first truck we worked on was the week of Thanksgiving 2021. And Nick's truck got dropped off in December 2021.
Wow.
Yeah, so it was like right in the
beginning. Escalated very quickly.
Yeah, very quickly. Like we got a lot of figuring out to do.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
But we're like, no, we'll put the time and effort in to do it as best we can, and you know, try to put out a product that is just on another level. So
yeah, well, you did it for sure.
We keep trying. We really push each other and push ourselves to do better.
Yep. All right, so I'm here with CJ, Lauren.
Yeah, pretty much.
Darren.
Yeah, there it is.
Darren.
That's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I've been coming here since not long after you started here.
Yep.
I came when you started on the next truck we were just talking about. And obviously I can't get here for every truck.
Yeah,
but,
it's hard.
You know,
it's a little far. Yeah.
You know, but obviously your work speaks for itself on the trucks that we have, and you will see going forward.
Yeah.
What all did you do on Greg's truck today?
So today he had a couple things that just needed addressed. It had some wear and tear off the road. His light panel was a little bent up. We got that off and straightened it out for him. We built him a new one. He doesn't want to put it on until the spring, which I understand. So yeah, straightened out his step for him. Helped him with his fenders, getting everything. He put some new spare time covers on the front of his fenders. Nice. New flaps and weights, just like wear and tear stuff. And he doesn't get out to this area much, so it was just cool to hang out with him.
Yeah, definitely.
You know?
This is my first time meeting him.
Yeah.
Even though he did our show in the fall, I did not meet him there.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, I guess that's an example of the smaller end of things that you can do. It doesn't have to be a full-on build.
Yeah, absolutely.
Or just an air ride front end. You can do flaps and weights.
Oh yeah. We stock all out here. So, we'll do whatever a customer wants us to do.
We get a lot of stuff in for smaller stuff here too. Like we have a truck here for pipes and some lights and flat hangers, little stuff. So
cool.
Yeah. I mean, it's mild to wild here. It really is.
Yeah.
You know. We like the wild stuff, but
and not everybody can do that.
No, and it's what we have a good system here where a truck comes in, it gets worked on, and it leaves. And so we don't have, we may have a longer wait list, but you know what your date is. You come in, you get your work done, and you're happy with it, and then the next guy comes in. So it's a tough balance, but it's a really good system here. And like I said, it doesn't matter what you want done. We schedule accordingly, and it's an all-around good deal for the customer and for us.
So the 389s, the white one here, I'll drop video into the gray one that I did the walk around of. And then there's a third one coming very similar to the gray standard. What all are they getting? I mean, you don't have to do the whole list, because I'm going to show them anyway before and after. But,
it's a front to back thing, honestly. We'll start with a bumper. It's getting a bumper, new visor, cab lights, stainless light panels, wider cowl panels down here, cabin bunk trim, Dynaflex pipes. We're going to fabricate flush mount deck plate.
This one's getting hooked up well. The other ones aren't.
They're just going to have the hookups out the back with the access hole in the deck plate where if you do need to pull a slider, you need your hookups. They're underneath the deck plate. But half fenders, stainless light panel on the back. There's pretty much every area on the truck will have something going on. Nothing over the top. They're work trucks, they're reefer trucks that are going to be running 95. So
I'll be catching them on video, most likely.
Trucks should all come out looking really nice.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Just little touches front to back.
Yep. And I'll come by and like in the mid-process and get
Fenders too, and fenders obviously. Yeah.
yeah, I'll get a little bit of the build and then show the finished product.
Yep. That'd be cool.
Cool.
Yeah, this one we should have wrapped up hopefully in the next 3 weeks, 3 weeks.
Yeah.
For our open house.
Yep, and I know we're going to talk about the lights. We're going to walk up front and check those out and let you guys tell everybody.
About all that stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we probably don't have enough like fabricated stuff to
That's what
talk
I'm saying.
about, but
We have a pile of unfabricated stainless.
but we've gotten really into the stainless fabrication stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, a year ago we didn't know how to do it.
I think that's something we really didn't touch on.
Yeah.
You've got a lot of parts too.
Yeah, we've been building a lot of stainless parts. In the past year, we've just spent an insane amount of time between CJ and I learning how to do it and building a really, really nice product.
Yeah.
Taking a lot of time to do it. And we take a lot of pride in it.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So we try to put out a really good product.
Yeah, you know, you were showing me some of the breather panels and stuff like that. And it's nice stuff. It's absolutely well done.
Yeah, a lot of the stuff, I mean, it's just stuff that you can walk by at a chrome shop and say, that's a light panel. But that's not the light panel you want on your truck. And for longevity reasons, and even if it's a price point, you're going to go through 3 of these cheaper light panels to our one that's going to stay on your truck until forever. I love going. People think I'm crazy, but if there's a light panel or any case that I can just go up and just really hammer on it, it's stout.
Yeah, we did that in Matt's last year. I forget who it was. We had our buddy Greg's truck was in the Renegade booth. Somebody's asking us about getting a light panel built. Walk up to this light panel, just kick it as hard as you can.
They're 8-inch stainless, reinforced inside. Everything's TIG welded, sanded, polished. We do all that here. I mean, it's time consuming.
What's the best way to get in touch with you if somebody wants to get stuff?
It's super easy. I mean, we have myself and another guy, Jordan, that answer the phones here. Phone rings, we answer it. All of our info is easily found online. We have our main website, and we actually just launched another website for some of the big rig parts, like the light panels and the little stainless stuff and the lights.
Oh, cool.
It's all the same contact info, obviously. But yeah, I mean, our info is out there online, and you call, we answer. You leave a message, we call you back.
Right.
It's super easy.
Facebook, Instagram,
it's all monitored.
Awesome.
Yeah, you send CJ a message, he gets back, I call, it's easy to get in touch with us.
Good deal.
So.
Well, I guess let's check out the lights.
Cool.
And talk about that a little bit.
Okay. Cool.
So these are the lights that we were speaking of. Can you tell me a little bit about them?
Yeah, so we've been making these stainless base glass lens lights here for the past couple months. We were just having supply issues and whatnot, so we kind of decided we wanted to do it and do it better. So we came up with a little bit different design on them. It's 303 stainless machined light base, mounts with a 7/8 stud, internally threaded in the back, 1/4-inch MPT, so you can run any kind of air fitting, or what we've done sometimes is run like JIC fittings, so you can run like a really nice looking stainless line off the back of the light.
Very cool.
Especially on a bumper or somewhere where you like really see the wiring. The lights seal really well. We also designed a gasket for them and get them made. We use a different material than we've seen in any other light, and we've had really good luck with it. Like, we've literally sealed one of these things up and put it in a bucket of water for a month.
Wow.
And they don't leak. So we just wanted to put out a better product, and we've been trying to just get as many of these things as we can and get them in the hands of as many people as we can that can really put them to the test and see that they do hold up a lot better. It's a lifetime product. I mean, yeah, they're expensive. We don't make a ton of money on them, but this is something that you buy once.
Right.
You may replace a lens or a bulb or bezel or whatever, but you're never going to buy the base again. That's the most expensive part. I mean, it is the most expensive part, but when you put the rest of stuff together, it, you know, adds up too. But that part of this you'll never have to replace.
Okay.
But yeah, we've had great luck with them. I mean, we've got a ton of them out there. People really like them. They're super nice. We plan on taking them to Matt's this year. We set up a booth down there, so we'll be out there with a boatload of these things and some other stuff.
Okay.
But yeah, we got a booth there. Not a booth with a truck, unfortunately, because it's too last minute and it's ungodly expensive
I was
to
gonna
put
say
a truck
that's
in there.
that'd be a little bit of
Yeah,
money.
maybe next year. Hopefully next year.
Cool.
We'd love to do a truck, like do a full build and put it
Yes,
inside.
if
of
anybody's
Matt's
looking to get a full build to debut in Louisville inside, get in touch
yeah, we
with
might have time to still do it.
This year.
Maybe, yeah.
Okay.
We're scheduled pretty far
rough.
out right now.
Well, cool. Well, thank you for sharing all of that with me
You're
and
welcome.
for allowing me to come and film at the shop. And I'll definitely be back and be doing updates and, you know, even new trucks that you guys get.
Yeah, we love having you here for this stuff, so
Awesome.
thanks for coming.
Thank you.